Alright guys, so today we're installing this exhaust, full catback exhaust on my son's car, and we're going to put some coilovers. These are pretty nice. So we're going to be installing it on this, and let me show you a little bit about this. This is my son's G35, okay? Everything is stock on this thing. Only thing it has is this cone right here. They probably installed it because the boot broke, okay? But everything is stock on it. Stock wheels, stock suspension, and even stock exhaust. But all that's about to change because we're about to install the exhaust and the suspension.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Hit it! Hit that thing!
I had two nuts on there, like this. Just.
Yeah, dude, it always has two. Killing me, Smalls. It's loose? Is it loose?
Yeah.
Alright, then why are you banging it? God dang. When you have some of these that are stubborn and they won't come out, I like to use a pair of channel locks, really big ones. That's what she said. And I wedge one part of it behind the piece of metal, the other one behind the rubber, and I just squeeze. Boom, it's out. All right, so we got it removed. Let's see what it sounds like without that muffler. I'm old, I'm not gonna like it. Oh, it actually sounds pretty good.
VQ power.
Hey, to my surprise, it actually sounds pretty good. It doesn't sound too bad. Oh, rev it up just a little bit. All right. Woke it up. All right. It's a channel lock trick on this again. Just like that, squeeze it. Like a man.
Bro.
See that? Piece of cake. Watch your fingers. And watch your face. The exhaust is gonna land on your face. All right. So we removed the mid section here, and I forgot. It has a resonator. That's why it was so quiet. Now we're gonna do a cold start. Bro, do you know what you're doing?
No. But I am master tech.
Yeah, sure you are. Good. So look at this thing, guys. We have from the factory, it comes from one bank and the other bank, okay? And it wires together, okay? Look how restricted this thing is. And then it's got a resonator, and it goes to single pipe all the way over here, and it gives you the illusion it's a dual exhaust, but it really isn't. It's just a single exhaust. So this is a big upgrade. So yeah, look at the aftermarket one, okay? Look at this exhaust. Flows a lot better than this. All right, so we're here in the back of the Cats, okay? We're not gonna use this stock gasket. We're gonna remove that. We're not gonna use that. Before we install this, we wanna clean this up right here. We wanna make it nice and flush, take off all the rust so it could seal properly. How's it coming along, G?
Good.
It's a tight fit, but we're gonna make it fit. So we have it on there, and of course, you're gonna always have clearance problems. Look at this. It's just sitting on the differential on this side and on this side as well. This part is sitting on the sway bar. And she's barely on one of the hangers. All right, so this is my solution right here for this fitment problems.
Still on the diff?
On this side it is. On this side is nice and clear. On this side it's on it just a little bit. Alright, so we got it on there. It fought us a little bit towards the end. So right now we're getting ready to crank it up for the first time, and we're gonna see how loud, raspy, or shitty it sounds. Or it might sound really nice, and we're gonna be very impressed. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here. All right, Chris, get in there. All right, you think it's gonna sound like a trumpet?
Nah, I think it's gonna be good.
Good, trumpet.
RX-7.
RX-7 sound. All right,
Yeah.
all right. We'll see. Cold start. Sounds pretty nice. Pretty nice.
7,000 RPMs. Let's go, blow it up. It's time. It's time. Exploding.
Whoa.
Doesn't sound bad.
Whoa. Let's hear it. Dang. Yes. One more time.
Is it popping?
All right, so here's what it looks like, guys. This is day 2. We're installing the coilovers right now. Chris is in there. He's taking the wheels off. Let's go see what he's got going on so far. So right now he's working on removing all the wheels off of the car. We got the coilovers over here. We're setting up the preload on them. Gonna get ready to put on these bad boys. Just a stock suspension. I'm actually really excited to see this. Maybe we could drop it as low as the Miata, or maybe like the Z back here. He wants to slam it pretty good, so we're gonna see. As low as we can go before it scrapes. Right?
Low and slow.
Okay, so I'm going to disconnect this part right here that connects to the upper control arm, so this could swing out of the way. We're going to have room to remove the strut. Alright, so we just ran into a little dilemma here. Okay? Check this out. Right? So when you buy these, right, the stock strut has a nut welded on here, okay? That's welded on here. So this goes in here and it fits just right. Well, guess what? The aftermarket one does not have one, and it did not come with one. So I am currently looking through my bucket full of nuts and bolts to see if I could find one. And I did find one, okay? And I found another one for the other side, but unfortunately this one has been beat up pretty good. Right now Chris is working on one. Let's see if he could break it loose. Chris, what you got? And I think this is the guy we need right here. All right, check it here. Does it need to be fixed?
This doesn't look like it's starting on there.
No, it might be damaged. So yeah, this is what you're gonna run into, okay? If you buy these struts, these coilovers, okay? You're gonna have to provide yourself with the proper nut that mounts to the bottom of this bolt. All right, guys. So far we have all three. We have three so far struts installed. We're missing one right front strut to go. We have one more to go. Chris is already setting up the rear tires. He's mounting them on. Bam. Okay. Gonna see how low it sits. Okay. So we got this one installed. Now we're missing the right side. We're missing this side. And it won't be long now before we'll be seeing how low can she go. Alright, so it looks like the front, we're almost there. Pretty close. The back has to go down a little bit more. Alright guys, so here it is. We got it all done. We got the coilovers installed. We adjusted them. We lowered them. Okay. Looks really nice. Looks really clean. It's got a nice little tuck going on here. Okay, everything is clearing nice. Nice little stands. Looks pretty awesome. And of course, don't forget, we got the full catback exhaust we installed. It came out pretty sweet. Sounds really good. All right, Chris, I'm gonna stand back there so we could hear it. Man, those sound really nice. I like the tone. It's nice and deep. And of course, don't forget, we got this new carbon fiber grille installed. Came out really nice. It makes the car look more aggressive. I like how it looks now.